Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the trading desk, and where we analyze the daily movers in the market, specifically my trades, why I took them, why I thought they were a good trade, why I thought they were a bad trade, and basically how did they resolve. So I took a few days off because I was on holiday, and after that, I just thought that even if I traded in the simulator, I just didn't feel like there was anything good to trade, and I was just okay. Let's take a few days off. I started this day off really good, but I'm in the red today again. And I don't even feel it anymore, to be honest, because I'm always in the red. So even if I take my account to zero, I guess that is what I'm aiming for, just to learn. I am a little bit salty because I started this day off good. I was $20 in the green and I was just chilling. And I took one, I guess, bad trade. I don't know why I thought like why it flushed, but let's see. So I started this day off trading um, I traded one trade on it. As it starts popping up here, it popped up, pulled back, waited for 1 a.m. 1 p.m. Here it opens. As it starts, it goes all the way down, starts curling back up, and I got in here at 491. Pops up, doesn't break it. I sell immediately here at 492. So no loss on that, and then I just didn't trade it for the rest of the day. Let me delete these. Then SHFS made some money on this. So as it starts popping up here at 104, 105, right? On these two candles, I bought in at 440, at 427, which would have been around right there, and then I sold it at 446, so a little bit lower, but as it went up, I had my order out, and I was like, okay, let's just get out at 450, basically, just to be safe, because it had some resistance here, and I was like, I didn't want to hold anymore. Didn't trade the rest of the day. And now at 206, this guy pops up, SSA. Can I get in immediately at 342? Pops up immediately up to 388. I don't sell because okay, just popped up. I'm not telling you, like 3 orders from it here. It goes from 388 to 322. I was like, okay, and then pops back up. I don't sell again. I sell right here for a small loss of 325. Then I don't want to look at it right here. Pulls back right here, goes back, buys up, starts curling back up. I get in, right? It's a dip trade. Throughout the whole day, I've been seeing these dip trades and I haven't been taking it. I was like, okay, I'll take the risk right now. Took it, it flushes immediately, like in 3 seconds. And I sell at 286. That's when I was able to get filled. And now it's curling back up again. I guess the dip was right here. And yeah, I'm $32 in the red instead of being like $32 in the green. I don't know. I don't know what to say. I was not expecting this, to be honest. First day back, I was cautious. I really was. I have to be better. That's the only thing. Like, what could I have done better on this trade? Let's think about it. Right? Pulls back, it shows this doji candle, it pops back up, I get in, right? It fits the 5 pillars of stock selection, by the way. Each of these stocks did. So it did not trade not A+ quality setups. It was 5 times relative volume, it had news, it was within the price range, it was up, and the float was relatively low, like 1 million shares, right? And it just reverses, like, and now it's going out, like, what do I do about it, And I can get in like with 50 shares and everything like that, but like, is it worth it? Like, is it really worth it? and I missed it the whole move. Like, I am a little bit disappointed. I'm not gonna lie. I am. I just am. You know, like I really did have pretty high expectations for this. It was a great stock, fed out of criteria, but then it just kind of like, okay, let's see. Even if I get in right here, but it's reversing. Went up 4 candles. Candle or candle pattern. I should have got it in 368. It did break 4 just for a second. There we go, 405 on the offer, 402.
Order filled.
Four at the offer. This is some live trading right here. 4, okay, so 407, 405. I think with like it's not that big of a red candle. It was a pullback. We'll see on this candle. If it does not, I'll sell. Nice. That's what I want to see, but I want to see it go a little bit more. No. No. Okay.
Order filled.
No. Yeah, it wasn't gonna go. I mean, it might go now, but I wasn't sure about it, to be honest. There we go, it goes. See, like, even in on that trade, like, I should have waited maybe, but I'm scared now, you know? Like, I do not want to hold out more than I should have, you know? Doesn't matter, I'll say that it's a little bit frustrating when this thing goes up and you've traded the only backside of the move where, I mean, the only front side of the move where it flushes, and now I'm like, I don't have any money more to trade, and I'm like, damn, and I'm just losing. I'm chipping away. I don't know. I'm back at it tomorrow. You know, I'm just not gonna look at the whether I win or lose. I'm done with that. Even if I lose all the money, I need to free myself from that, right? Even if I go down to 0, it's fine. I just need to focus on taking good trades. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.